Sam doing a vlog here at Maitland. So enjoy. Now departing platform number 4, Scone service. Next up will be Lochnavar, followed by Greta, Brankston, Musselbrook, Singleton and Scone, I think are the stops. Not too sure though. Yeah, we got on the wrong train. Thought we were going on a Talara, but no, we were on a Scone. So that could have ended well if we got stuck on it. So J7 arriving into platform number 1. This is a Hamilton service off of Dungog. Next up will be Victoria Street, followed by Thornton, Metford, Thornton, Beresfield, Warrabrook and Waratah, I'm pretty sure are the stops. Oh no, it's J4. Oh no, this is off Talara, sorry, not Dungog. Thought it might have been because it was express. Yeah, this is off Talara since... No, you probably can't see it. 4 is just about to depart, platform number 1, for a Newcastle service, Hamilton Newcastle service off of Talara. Glencore locomotives passing. It's a coal train. Definitely not going to film it all because my train's due very shortly. What's this? XRN 14014, XRN 004, and XRN 026. Passing through platform number 6, the platform on stilts, heading out somewhere towards Scone and those places. Okie dokie, that'll do the filming. J set approaching platform number 2. This is a Talara only service. J1, I'm pretty sure, or J3. J1. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Goodbye.